Welcome to this quick walkthrough for claiming your Solaxy tokens directly in Best Wallet. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about gas fees. These are the costs required on a blockchain to process and validate any transaction, meaning you will have to pay a gas fee when claiming SOLX tokens. Due to the size of the Solaxy token claim and expected demand, we anticipate a significant spike in gas fees. Because you can only claim SOLX on Ethereum in Best Wallet, you will need to pay the gas fee using ETH. So, to claim SOLX, make sure you have at least $30 worth of ETH in your wallet to cover these fees. You can easily buy ETH directly in Best Wallet or deposit it from an external wallet or exchange. Just go to your wallet's main screen and tap Buy or Receive to get started. It's also important to note that if you have staked SOLX, these tokens are locked for a full 7 days once the claim period goes live. This means you won't be able to claim your SOLX tokens on June 23rd. Please don't try to claim on this day, as your transaction won't go through, and you may incur a gas fee. Instead, you can claim your staked tokens at 2 p.m. UTC on June 30th by going to the staking dashboard on the Solaxy website and withdrawing your tokens. Now that you're ready, let's go through the claiming process in-app step by step. First, open your Best Wallet app. Select the wallet you used to buy SOLX, and then go to the Upcoming Tokens tab. Scroll down to the Claim Live section. Tap on Solaxy to open the in-app claim screen. Here, you will see your claimable SOLX balance as well as your stakeable balance. You will have two options, claim or claim and stake. Choosing claim and stake will claim your tokens, but then stake them for 7 days to earn staking rewards. Choosing just claim will mean your tokens will go straight to your wallet. Both options require paying a gas fee. Select your preferred option and double-check the details before tapping Submit. You will see a breakdown of how much you're claiming and how much your gas fee is. Tap Submit to complete the process. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient and don't try again. Once your transaction is complete, refresh your wallet, and your SOLX tokens should appear automatically. If you don't see them right away, don't worry. You might need to manually find or import SOLX. Simply go to Manage Tokens, search for Solaxy, enable it, or import it using the SOLX contract address. We've added it to this video's description. And that's all it takes to claim your SOLX tokens with Best Wallet. If you run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to our team on Discord for support.